Hi, welcome to Coachapi. Today we're going to see the demo for how to fix the error PS cannot be loaded. Okay, first, how to fix the error PS cannot be loaded, because the running script is disabled on the system in Angular. Okay, to rectify the error, there are three steps out there. This is for the command. First, open the command prompt. Click and open it. This is for the command prompt. You can call the PowerShell. You can enter the PowerShell. You can enter it. Automatically call the PowerShell. PS. First, copy the step 1 command. Copy the command and paste it. Enter it. Next, go to the readme files. You can step 2, copy the command. Second command, copy it and paste the prompt. Enter it. You can call the remote signed. You can visible this output. Okay. Next, go to the third step. You can copy the command. Get execution policy list wise. You can copy the command and paste the command prompt. Enter it. You can view the list wise. You can view it. This is for the output wise. Next, close the command prompt. Restart the computer. Next, open the command prompt. Open as run as administrator. Open in run as administration and open it. You can cd and copy the path, project path. And paste the path in prompt and enter it. Next, you can enter the Cordova built Android. You can enter it. The Cordova is running. The error was rectified. The build was successful. Only input the 3 commanded, you can automatically rectify the error and you can view the build successful. Okay, the APK was successfully built. You can copy the path and paste the file. You can APKs, get the APKs. This is for the rectify the error. PS1 command prompt. Okay, that's all about the error rectified. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.